Guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Carx to trade in our Android phone. So complete watching this video, don't skip. Now let's start the video. So first of all, check this interface. This item is not available in your country. So how to solve this problem and install this game in our mobile phone? So first of all, install Russian VPN and then clear data of Play Store. Click on a storage. Clear storage. Click on OK and done. And now go to Russian VPN and connect it. Click on OK and then skip. If your VPN not connected, select another country. Our VPN connects successfully. Now go to Play Store. And click on an account option and select another account here. And then search Carx Trades. And click on a first app and download it successfully in our Android phone. Install option available now. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.